New unit. It's called Guardian, made by Johnson Control. It has Micro Channel Condenser Coil. I just installed the screen around it to keep the leaves. I just want to show you in 2 weeks how much dirt this screen has removed from the air. This is a brand new air conditioning unit with a air filter screen, and just 2 weeks, look at all the dirt that it's picked up. Just 2 weeks. This is the neighbor's condensing unit that I put a fabric screen over. Just want to show you how the water drips down the unit. Kind of like Anyway, that's how the water drips down the unit. And show this here. Like that. Anyway, after 2 days of rain, the screen looks very clean. So this is Friday, the 8th. And you can see the screen is pretty clean. After 2 days of rain, the screen is clean. The rain washed the screen off. Okay. This coil is clean, and the screen is protecting the coil from getting dirty. It just rained, and you can see how the screen is pretty clean. And that's how the screen gets cleaned, from the little raindrops running down the screen. This is my neighbor's air conditioning unit. This is Ron's unit. I put a screen in front of it to protect it from the leaves and dust and dirt. It's just rained, and so the dust that built up on the screen has washed off. Now, this is the airflow from his unit. This is about a month old. As you can see, the air spinners are lit. This is Ron's Micro Channel condensing unit. I put a screen around the unit 2 months ago, and as you can see, it rained yesterday and the screen is very clean. Very clean. Even on this side, it's very, very clean. I wanted to show you, I wanted to let you know that even with, my hand's width of space opening between the fence and the unit, the screen on this side was clean because of the raindrops running down the screen, the air filter screen. Okay? So even if it's not exposed to the rain, the raindrops run down the screen and clean the screen.